Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you very much for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce my subject in front of you. Sir, I have done my BTech in Electronics and Communication branch. So I would like to tell you something about my subject. First question is, what is electronics? So electronics is a branch of science in which we can operate any type of device to control its flow of electron. Some electronic devices are sensor, diode and transistors. What is communication? Sir, communication is a technology by which we can transmit any type of information from sender to receiver through a channel. Third question is types of communication. Sir, there are two types of communication. First one is analog communication and second one is digital communication. Analog communication. So analog communication is a technology in which we can transmit any type of information through analog signals like sine wave, triangular wave and square wave. Digital communication. So digital communication is a technology in which we can transmit any type of information through digital signals like 0 and 1. What is semiconductor? Sir, semiconductor is an element which conductivity lies between conductor and insulator. Some semiconductor elements are silicon, germanium, arsenic, gallium and indium. What is modulation? Modulation is a technique in which we can change the characteristics of carrier signal. Carrier signal is a signal by which we can transmit any type of information from sender to receiver. There are three types of modulation. First one is amplitude modulation, second one is frequency modulation and third one is phase modulation. First is amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation is a technique in which we can change the amplitude of the carrier signal. Phase modulation. Phase modulation is a technique in which we can change the characteristics in phase to the carrier signal. We can change the phase of the carrier signal. Frequency modulation. Frequency modulation is a technique in which we can change the frequency of the carrier signal. What is resistor? Resistor is an electronic element which resists the flow of control in any electronic component. Resistors provide the safety to the electronic component. Next question is, what is active and passive elements? Sir, active elements provide energy for long time. It has the capability of internal amplification. Some active elements are op-amp, transistor, diode, etc. Passive elements. Passive elements is an electronic element which provide energy for short time. Passive elements don't have the internal amplification ability. Some passive elements are resistor, inductor, etc. What is capacitor? Capacitor is an electronic component which has the ability to store the energy in form of voltage difference, or we can say in form of electric field. What is inductor? So inductor is a electronic component which has the ability to store the energy in form of magnetic field. What is diode? So diode is an electronic component. It is a two-terminal device which operate in two mode. First one is forward bias, which can also say on mode, and second one is reverse bias, which can also say off mode. Thank you, sir.